Alright, so what's all the fuss about? OpenAI has rolled out their most advanced image generator and integrated this directly in ChatGPT. What are its capabilities? It's become even more high quality and realistic, which also means better hands. But still, AI took lesser time to figure out hands than it took live VR to figure out legs. You can put on new clothes or khud hi become someone else. You can pretty much do everything. Okay, maybe not everything, you're still scared of copyright lawyers. But wait, all of this is not just for fun. It's supposed to be useful. User interface mockups, posters. Now you can put correctly formatted text into image. क्योंकि हम लोग Canva होकर भी ये नहीं कर पा रहे थे. Users can be more artistic. You can specify styles, lighting, composition and details more precisely. But you see, इसके लिए भी पता होना चाहिए कि ये lighting, composition ये सब होता क्या है. And that's why I feel like a normal person cannot like replace an artist. I can imagine how this will make the artists feel. Someone wrote about how this is very similar to what photography did to the paintings. Now it's not something only very few can do, but a lot more will be able to do it, and the best ones will still be a few. There's a new base level now, new ways to learn and have AI assist you to do a lot more and do it better. Max worst case, it's going to get your rates to a rock bottom. Consistent character rendering if you're making multiple images of that character. I see all of us jumping on this Ghibli trend. Well, I only now found out about this style, which is from a studio in Japan. I was wondering, उनको कैसा लग रहा होगा ये सारे versions देखकर? OpenAI swears that they have safety measures in place, like blocking harmful content. AI-generated images would have embedded metadata, so you'll always know they are fake, unless someone removes the metadata, in which case, good luck. Deepfakes are gonna deepfake.